This is Robot AC21 coming to you with another proverb to enlighten your mind. Avarice blinds our eyes. Also pepper spray, especially when you are trying to spray a peaceful protester, and you point it the wrong way and all the pepper goes all over your hot dog, making it nice and spicy. Then when you go and try and eat it, you accidentally squeeze the bun too hard that the hot dog shoots out and hits you in the eye. Then you try to use a potato peeler to scrape it out, but you didn't realize you took out a jackhammer and you can't stop using it because you don't want to look stupid, so you continue to make your face look like Swiss cheese. Once you totally destroyed your head, your eyes are going to be quite useless. Worst of all, the hot dog wasn't that good, and I think I know why. It might have been because it was real meat. Why did they change the recipe from hoofs, anus, dirt, rat poop, basically whatever you can find in a garbage bin?